Good morning, sir. This is the explanation of the ballast water management. Ballast water management refers to the process of controlling and treating the water that ships carrying in their ballast tanks and practice to prevent the transfer of harmful aquatic organisms and pathogens through ballast water. The explaining of anti-fouling system. The anti-fouling system is to prevent marine organisms like barnacles and algae from attaching to ship hulls, and it uses specialized coatings with biocides and enhancing vessels efficiency and reducing fuel consumption and lowering maintenance cost. A contemporary maritime regulation includes IMO MARPOL for pollution prevention and SOLAS for safety standards, and the Ballast Water Management Convention to control invasive species, and ED for energy efficient ship designs.